Molded chests, fire-safe, waterproof with carry handle. Features: important letter and A4 size documents can both lie flat and be protected from fire and flood with this sturdy safe with handle. Quality made. This fire-safe box has a 30-minute UL fire protection rating up to 1550 degrees Fahrenheit, 843 degrees Celsius. Secure, waterproof. 100-hour waterproof seal is verified to keep contents dry, even when submerged 39 in 1 m underwater. Size. Interior dimensions 3.7 in HX 13.1 in W by 8.5 in D. The exterior dimensions are 6.6 in H by 16.0 in WX 12.6 in D. Capacity is 0.24 cu feet. This fire-safe box has a 30-minute UL fire protection rating for up to 1550 degrees F and a 100-hour waterproof seal that has been verified to keep contents dry, even when submerged 39 inches underwater. Important letter-size documents can lie flat and be protected from fire and flood with this sturdy safe attached with handle. Top reviews from the United States. This was exactly as advertised. This is perfect for holding important legal size papers flat. The seller is quick to respond if questions are asked.